on, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're back at it again with another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this with number one on my list. That's right, your eyes are not deceiving you. This is a 2011 BMW Alpina B7, or I guess we should really just call it an Alpina B7 and not a BMW, right? Man, these things are sick. It's a non-runner, no odometer. Looks like all it needs is a freaking bumper. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What? Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh, I know you're out of my price range, girl. I do, but you are a thing of absolute beauty. You can't deny it, guys. Even if you hate BMWs, I don't think anybody could come out here, honestly, and say, yeah, we don't like that car. Please. Please. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. Oh. Well, hello. Okay, it comes with the bumper. Sort of, yeah. Okay, look at all the... Oh. Tootsie Rolls. Let me see that Tootsie Roll. Okay, we'll stop all that. Let's, what? Who does this to a car? Oh, man. It's got the key. It's got the key. Guys, this runs. I'm telling you, this runs. This runs. Listen to me. I'm telling you right now. She runs. I can feel it. Oh, and it's gonna prove me. Well, you know, you can't be right all the time. Holy crap. What happened there? So somebody started working on it. It looks like someone was removing the engine. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like somebody was getting ready to pull this motor, and well, you know, somehow things stopped. Tell me that is not beautiful. Yeah, this iPhone really does have a good camera. Like the way it just zooms, it does. It does. I love this iPhone. I really love this Alpina, but I'll tell you what, it's in a perfect position right now to do something that really should be done to it. Since you're going to pull this out anyway, and since it's totally unreliable and it will never be reliable, just rip all of this crap out and throw an LS in it. Seriously, an LS1 even. That's fine. Just throw an LS1 in it. Call it a day, man. It's still a sick-looking car. It is absolutely beautiful. Well, just ignore that. I'm wondering what happened. A flood, maybe. Maybe it was a flood. Damn. Moving on. Next, we have my favorite vehicle, a Ram. I believe this is a 2020, maybe a 2021. I really dig the white and black. I do. Like, this looks good. This looks real good. You know, bright white paint and all the things that used to be chrome or would normally be chrome, all blacked out. It's a sick looking truck, guys. 4 full doors, kind of a stubby bed, 4x4. Well, it's got a little damage. She had a little rollover accident there. This whole bedside is crushed. You got sticks in the tires. That's never good. This part of the cab and even up there is, yeah, it's done. Man, did my truck really have doors this big? That's hard to believe. I've gotten so used to my small back seats and my small floor. It's hard to remember having this much space in the back. Wow. Lots of dog hair. That's okay. My dog rides in the back too, guys. My dog rides in the back too. Now that, Jessica would like that. Jessica would like that. Oh, well, yeah, they got it all taped off, so you ain't getting in that side. The glass is all shattered. Ugh. It's kind of dirty. Damn, this was a nice truck though, guys. It was. I just love that black on this white. I think it looks phenomenal. Let's take a look through this side. Here we go. Ew. Whew. Oh, it looks like somebody done minster it. Never mind. Never mind. Anyway, wow, this thing is this is gross. I'm not gonna lie. This is very, very nasty. This is very nasty. And you can see little footprints. I'm telling you, them raccoons, man, they crawl through those holes. They will open them up and climb up in here. They will. Golly, it's sad to see it wrecked. You know, for sure, it's sad to see a nice truck like this wrecked, but it's also sad to see a nice truck like this that somebody just, you know, just trashed. They just absolutely did not care about it. But, you know, this may have been somebody's work truck. You know what I mean? And work trucks generally don't, you know, people don't generally look after them all that well. I look after mine. I don't trash mine, but, you know, I work for my money, and I want to make sure I take care of it. Who knows? This could have been a company truck. This could have been a company truck, and we all know company vehicles, well, they may get maintained, but generally, if you've got a bunch of different people driving them on job sites and stuff, nope, they are not going to take care of them. Sad, though, sad. I think it was a beautiful truck. Moving on. Last on my list, guys, we got an old Cadillac, man. Oh, you know I love these things. I shouldn't, but I absolutely love these. It doesn't even say what the year is on. I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe a 92? It's got one airbag. That's a clue. Oh, let's see. 92. 02 of 92. Wow. 80,000 miles? No way. Oh my goodness. 87,000 original miles. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I think I got to put a bid on this one. I do. It's going to have the 4.9. Yep, 4.9. The old 4.9 port fuel injection. Oh, guys. I don't know. Man, we've done one of these before. The videos didn't do all that great on it. I don't know. It's one of those things like everybody's seen these. Everybody's seen these. I don't think anybody's all that interested in it. But if you are, well, comment below because I'm torn on whether or not to even bid on it. Look at this. Wow. If you're interested in seeing this on the channel, you need to comment right now. Ooh. There it goes. There it goes. There she goes. Well, the air conditioning controller here doesn't work. Nothing works there at all. It even says, it even tells you, service air conditioning. What do we got here? Okay, hell, let's put it in. Let's see what it does. Power. Tell me this works. Come on. Someone had the volume all the way up. No? I don't think this works either. Airbag light is on. Well, this car's got some problems, guys. This car got some problems. Yeah. We still got the book. And what is this? The case. Yeah. Trunk opens. Well, she seems to run well. Sounds decent. The important window works. We'll pop the hood. Of course. Brakes feel good. Reverse. Drive. Yeah. She sounds good. Power steering feels good. What about the windshield wipers? Oh, wow. Okay. Oops. Yep. Trunk is open. Oh my God. How I didn't see that earlier, I don't know. That looks like a tire wasn't even ever used, man. Newspapers. The New York Times, Sunday, May 2nd, 2021. Okay, so somebody was in this thing not that long ago. Does the soft close work? Oh no. Oh no. Come on. Uh-oh. Well, that's a bit of a problem. Oh boy. Great. How did we open that? I don't even remember. I don't even remember how we opened that. It wasn't already open, so there had to be a button. Well, this is lovely. Ashtrays don't look like they've ever been smoked in. I've pushed that trunk open button a few more times, maybe. She's pulling back down. That's the, there we go. There we go. There we go. You had to give her what for? Guys, you know, she's got good used cracking tires. I don't know. Where's the dadgum hood release? Well, hell, I don't see it. Lovely. I see it under there, but I don't see how to get to it. Ouch. There's something very sharp right there. Yeah. Okay. Hey, you know what? Guess what? No. Bad Cadillac. I'm done. Guys, she's a good looking car. She seems to run well, goes right into gear. Started up without a jump. I'm just not feeling it. I don't feel it. So if you want to see it, well, you'd better comment, because honest to God, I'm just not feeling this one, man. So I'm done. Short, sweet, and to the point this time, guys. I'm gonna bounce up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, drop those comments below, and stay safe out there. I'm gonna see you guys again very soon in the next one.